when we were talking about the networking, there was one part that we did not cover, and that part was the HTTP request using sockets. So socket is a low-level library in Python, and when we want to connect to a server, we use socket. Okay, and using socket, we can communicate with any kind of service. Okay, it any kind of service. So here, what we're doing is we are importing a module called socket. We will discuss more details about module, and then we are creating a socket, and afterwards we are connecting to this server at this port, and then we are sending this. Yesterday we were not using B here, okay, B for binary strings, and this basically, and the other part that was missing there was this section. We were not mentioning the host this way, okay. Now you can see that when we have sent this request, and here we are iterating indefinitely, we are reading 512 bytes at a time, and we are doing it till the length of data is positive and greater than 0. Okay, in case the length of data that we received is of less than one length, we break here and we print that data on the screen and close the socket. Okay, that's what is happening here. So all right, so you can see that we are receiving, we first of all we received this header saying HTTP 200 OK, right? Now 200 you may not be aware of, but you may be aware of 404, right? 404 is our error message, and here it's 200, means everything is okay. And then we are getting the information about what kind of content it is. This is part of HTTP protocol, and we also receive the content length. Afterwards, we get the other details like time, and we also get the last modified date of the page and so on. Okay, and here what you see is here, this is the data. So till here, this is the header, and from here, this is the data. Okay, and this one is nicely formatted here. All right, a question is, what does this particular line mean? Okay, we can open all different kind of sockets. Here we are opening a particular kind of socket, and we are saying that we are opening it over sock stream. Okay, so this is kind of I don't want to go into more details about it. There are different kind of streams, and there are different kind of mm, the the internet protocols, and we are just using the INET protocol right now. Okay, and what it means by 512, here we are saying that read 512 bytes in at a time. So instead of that, we could also say read 1024. Okay, and still we will get the same results. Okay, these are the number of bytes. How much is byte? 8-bit is a byte. Okay, and we are reading 1024 bytes at a time. If we print data here, okay. Oh, we are actually printing data every time. Okay, so we can also print things like, and if we are just receiving, say, 50 characters at a time, this is how it's going, or 30 characters at a time, this is how it's going to look like. You can see that? We're just reading 30 characters at a time. So Tanmay's question is, shouldn't we have a try-catch block here? Of course, that's a very good point. So we should have a try-catch block in this. Okay. So instead of reading the entire content in the raw low level socket, what we do is we read small bytes at a time and then we print that on the screen. Then we access it and use it in howsoever way. Okay, great. So, all right. So this is something that didn't work yesterday. We were missing B here and we were not supplying the host name. Okay. All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Have a good day.